wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Whoa. Do you guys see that? That's Moana. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I should say hi to you guys. Hi, kids. From A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again. Do you guys see her just sitting there? I went off and I had lunch, and then when I came back, Moana had put up all these shells, and she was sitting in the middle. I wonder, do you guys think she's trying to tell me something? I kind of do. Oh, I wonder what it is. Excuse me, Miss Moana? Yes, Olivia. Hi, I was wondering, what are you doing out here? You have all these shells set up and you're just sitting there. Well, Olivia, sometimes I like to sit and look out at the ocean. Oh, wow. The ocean's really, really big. Yes, the ocean is very big, and there are lots of adventures out there far across the ocean. And, yes, Moana? And I am currently pondering a brand new adventure. Last night, there was a voice that whispered to me in the dark, and it said, Moana, go to the sea. And so I came to the sea, and I've been sitting here all morning looking out to the sand. And, Olivia, I was wondering if you could help me. Kids! Moana needs our help. Do you hear that? Do you guys think maybe you could help me help Moana? Yeah? Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, Moana, yes. We would really like to help you. What do you need help with? Well, as I was sitting here looking out at the sea, there were images in the clouds. And the images in the clouds led me to this spot. But I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Up in the clouds, I see maybe a bird, and I think a flower, and and I can hear singing on the wind. But I don't recognize the singing. Wait, but Moana, that singing, it sounds kind of like it could be from another princess, doesn't it, kids? Oh, I wonder, because it sounds kind of like Ariel. Okay, so the clouds and the images and the voice led you here to these seashells. So these seashells are really important then. Okay, let's examine the seashells and see if we can figure it out. So,
Hi, Olivia.
Hi, Noah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to help Moana. Thank you.
Help her with what?
We don't know exactly. So last night Moana heard a voice, and then it told her to come to the ocean, and this morning she saw images in the clouds, and it led her to these seashells, but I don't know what the seashells are supposed to mean, and Moana wants our help to figure it out. Do you have any ideas? Me and the kids are trying to, I don't know, I'm looking at them now to investigate the seashells. So, if you have any ideas.
Well, let's see.
Yeah.
Nothing.
It looks just like And sometimes you can hear seashells too, right? But I don't know, it only sounds like the ocean. Do you think that means
Nothing.
anything? Nothing? Yeah.
Nothing. No. Oh, there's one more right there.
Yeah. The very end one. I don't know, they all look the same. Does it look the same to you guys, kids? It's just the inside.
Nothing.
Yeah.
They're really nice shells.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Let me talk to Moana.
Yeah.
Oh, mhm.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Mhm. I think they're figuring something out.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
What? Oh, okay. Tell me.
The answer lies in that special box there.
Oh.
Should I get it?
Yeah. Oh, that the seashells. Maybe they were leading us to the special box.
Here, why don't you hold Moana
Okay.
and let me see if I can open this box,
Yeah.
because whatever
Yeah.
Moana is saying that we need to find out is in this box.
Oh yeah. Let's get that open. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Like. Wow. That seems really shut, huh?
Yeah.
Oh wait, does it have a lock?
It does have a lock right there.
Oh, do we need a key maybe? We need a key.
We need a key.
We need a key. So
Oh, wait.
yeah.
And didn't you say there was a voice?
Yeah, there was a voice. There was a voice in the clouds, and then there was a voice, she said, and it made it sound like, oh, like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
we need to follow that voice.
Oh.
We need to follow that
Yeah.
voice, and that voice will have the key to this box.
Okay. Moana, where was the voice coming from? From the ocean.
She said from the
Yeah,
ocean.
from the ocean. Oh, wow. We're gonna have to go into the ocean, huh? Oh my goodness, Moana, do you want to come with us to the ocean? Are you gonna?
She has to come. She only knows the way.
Yeah, Moana, we don't know how to go into the ocean, and we need to use your boat probably, or have you swim with us and show us how to go.
It sounds like adventure.
Adventure
time.
Adventure time! Oh wow!
Okay.
Oh yay! No, I'm so glad you figured that out. I didn't even know what the box was. I didn't see it
Yeah.
there. Wow.
Whatever is here, this is the secret hidden
Yeah.
message.
Oh, I wonder what's inside of it.
But the voice will know. If the voice
will
can
know.
help
Yeah.
us.
So we should just go towards the ocean now, right?
Yeah, we'll go on the boat of Moana, and then we just follow that voice.
Yeah. Follow the voice over the sea and to wherever the voice comes from.
Yep. Moana,
Yeah.
can you prepare the boat for us?
Yeah. Moana, will you make the boat? Yes, I will. I will get the boat ready and I will get my rooster.
Let's push into the water. One, 2, 3, go!
Whoa, the waves are so big!
They are.
Ocean waves!
Once we're gonna go over the first 3 waves, we'll be out on the sea.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Okay, let's go! Oh, I see a big one coming!
Let's hold
Here
on.
it comes in!
Hold on.
Woo! That was a big wave!
That was a good one.
That was
Oh,
big.
look, there's a second one
Oh, the
coming.
second one. Okay,
Oh, no.
hold on.
Hold on.
Woo!
Okay, and the last one is coming. Let's go.
Let's go. It looks like the biggest one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming. Hold on. Woo!
That was
Wow.
that's good.
Yeah, ocean waves are big.
Yeah, we made that.
Oh, it's nice out here
Okay,
though, huh?
I think we can lay down the oar.
Okay.
I think now we got it.
Yeah.
With Moana's sail, I think we're good to go.
Yeah.
Now we just have to follow the voice. Moana,
Oh.
take us to the voice.
take us to the
voice.
I think it's coming from over that way.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go that way. Forward. So we have to go forward again.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go.
Ariel, Moana led us to you.
Yes.
Oh, we just lost our boat.
Oops.
Ariel, Moana brought us to you.
Yeah, she said that you could help us. We have a gold locked box that we need a key to.
Yeah, let me show it. I have it in my backpack.
Okay. Here, do you want me to hold it, Ariel?
Yeah, can you hold Ariel?
Yeah, I'll hold Ariel.
Let me just pull it out of my backpack.
See, Moana says, we found this very important box. A voice led me to it. And there's our box.
There's our box. Moana said, Ariel, that you would have the special key for it, or at least help us out on this.
Yes. Oh, I am so happy you guys are here, but I do not have your special key.
No.
Oh no.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do we do now?
To get your special key, you must go on a big adventure. You must climb to the very, very top of a mountain.
Of that mountain there?
Of that mountain there. And it is
But it's so
very
big.
high. Whoa.
Is that where we'll find the key? But where? How?
You must climb to the very, very top of the mountain, and another princess will help you on your way.
Who? Can you tell us?
All I can say is it will be very, very cold.
Oh no.
And very dangerous.
Olivia?
Yeah.
I think I forgot our winter gloves.
Oh no.
And our scarf.
Oh, I didn't even think about it because we were going on the ocean. It seemed so warm and beachy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Is it going to be dangerous, Ariel?
Yes. It will be very dangerous, but if your heart remains true, you will find your way.
So we just continue on, I guess.
Yeah, so we continue on. Are you going to come with us, Ariel?
Ariel, will you come with us?
Will you come? Yes, I will come on this adventure with you. I will use my human legs.
No, what if she uses her mermaid tail so we can swim through the ocean really fast?
Yeah, she could take us there. I will use my mermaid tail to guide you through the ocean to the bottom of the mountain.
Okay.
Yay!
Let's get started.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, Ariel.
Wow. Thank you, Ariel.
We're so happy that we found you here in the water.
Yeah, me too. That was very, very helpful.
Okay, Moana, come on. Sit down right next to us.
Okay.
Let's go, Moana and Ariel. Off we go.
Swimming through the ocean. Whoa.
That was a adventure in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, Olivia.
What? What? Is there something on me? Oh no, there's something.
You look crazy.
What? Oh! My hair! Oh, my hair! Oh,
Your hair is
my hair is all crazy.
Look. I can see the mountain.
Oh! We're here! We're at the bottom of the mountain! Yay! I wonder who's gonna help us with the mountain? Help!
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 Help! You call for me.
Oh! Elsa! Yes! Yes, we called for you!
It's Elsa.
Oh!
Elsa from Frozen.
Oh, Noah.
Elsa's trying to tell us something.
Yeah. What'd she say?
It's time for adventure.
Let's go adventure!
We have to go to the mountain. Okay, Elsa, you're gonna take the golden box.
Okay.
And then I think we're ready to go.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go.
Go on an adventure to the mountain.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Climbing up the mountain.
Climbing up the mountain.
What's so hard?
Elsa, can you make us a path, an ice path?
Yeah.
Of course. She's gonna make one. Hold on.
Okay, I'm holding on.
Make sure not to look directly into the ice.
Oh. Oh, is there an ice path?
Oh, there it is.
Yay, ice path.
Oh, it's leading us right to the mountain.
Yeah. Oh, we can like skate up the mountain. Wow, this is great. That was a lot easier than climbing, huh?
Look, we're at the top now.
Oh, we're at the top of the mountain.
But Elsa, there's no key here.
Yeah.
There's just a golden top.
Yeah.
You see the golden top right there?
Yeah. I see it on the top of the mountain. There's a golden top, but
But
where's the key for our box? Do we have to dig or look under a rock or maybe?
I don't.
Wait. Do the kids know? Kids?
Oh, kids, do you know? I didn't see anything, but
Yeah.
kids, do you know?
Yeah. Do you see anything, or do you know where a key is, or maybe
Look up, look down.
all around? Yeah.
No, I don't see anything.
I don't either.
And I didn't. Kids don't know either.
Yeah. So.
What if maybe Moana knows?
Oh! Moana, do you know where the key is? If we take the box to the top of the mountain, it should open. Oh! So the box...
This is the key!
Yeah. So the gold mountain point is the key to the gold box.
Oh.
Oh!
Olivia, do you want to do this or do you want me to do it?
I don't care.
I'm kind of scared.
You're kind of scared. Maybe we should do it together.
Okay,
should we do it together? Okay, here, I'm going to put Moana right there, and then I'll hold on to it too. Okay.
Okay.
And then... Okay.
Did you see the mountain move?
Yeah. And look, there's fairy dust in the air.
Wow.
Whoa. We did it.
We did it.
We did it.
Now the big clouds are gone.
Yeah, the big clouds are gone and
The sun is shining again.
it's wonderful. Oh, Elsa, Moana, Ariel, we all did it.
We did it.
Yay, look at the sky.
The dark evil spirit has been lifted.
Wow.
Now sunshine will be here in eternity.
Ooh, sunshine
Wow.
forever.
We did it. We succeeded.
Yay. Wow, this was quite an adventure.
It was.
Yeah, this was great.
It was great.
Wow.
Well, now I'm kind of exhausted. I want to go home again.
I bet Elsa can make us a slide and we can slide down the mountain to get back to the ocean to go home.
Yeah, let's do
a slide.
Let's all hold on.
Okay, let's hold on.
Sit down here.
Okay.
One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
three.
Bye, kids. We're going.
Bye. Wow.
This was fun.
This was very fun.
Oh, I can't wait for our next adventure.
Me either. What a great slide.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna eat some lunch now.
Okay.
See you later.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, bye. Here, you can play with Elsa.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting me be part of your adventure.
Thanks for being part of it. We
I'm
wouldn't
gonna
have been able to do it without you.
Yep.
That was lovely. Good job, girls. That was really, really, really great. Thanks for all your help, kids.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.